Hi guys, how about shooting a macro shot of a cherry blossom? It's pretty easy, right? You climb up a ladder, take a DSLR and you're done. How about shooting it with a wet plate camera? That's what I'm doing today. Show you my setup a little bit before I start. I use a strobe too, so I can freeze the action a little bit when it's moving. Let's go! I just finished the plate, I just did the varnish of the plate, and I'm holding the camera like Casey does, and I have no idea how he does that because it's so heavy, but okay, I just wanna be in my backyard so you can hear the birds a little bit. Yeah, as you have seen, the Berlebach tripod was maxed out, so I was a little bit scared it's gonna fall, but I was lucky. And no, I can't hold the camera anymore, so I will show the rest of the plates in my studio. Back in my studio. Now I have to put the thing on a tripod. Give me a second. And I need some more zoom. So my next project worked out really well, so I'm really happy with the outcome. The cherry blossom, they look great. So I know it's much easier to use a digital camera, but I like the challenge, you know. As you have seen before in the short video, I was struggling with the Berlebach tripod. I maxed it out like I've never maxed it out like that, but it was really steady. I just had to put some weight on the front so it doesn't fall to the back. Yeah, that was really cool that this worked out. I was thinking maybe I have to use a table or something to get it high enough, to get the camera high enough. Why did I use a strobe? Because the cherry blossom is moving like this all the time because of the wind. And so with the strobe I can freeze it. I just did the exposure time pretty short. So I uncovered the lens, waited 2 seconds, fired the strobe, and then I put the cover up again. And this worked out pretty well. The blossoms look really sharp. So here they are. I did 2 again. No, it must be the right way. So they are for sale again. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested to buy it to my shop. And yeah, that's pretty it for the day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything about my crazy work in the future. And I'll be back, guys. One more thing. Casey, let me know how you do that. What kind of workout do you do if you ever watch this video? This is awkward to go like that. I have no idea. This is so heavy. I have to turn the camera off.